RON 4X4 are wheeled all-terrain vehicles on ultra-low pressure tires in a tubeless design. It's built with a spatial truss-shaped profile that uses a 3D truss to resist lateral forces. It has separate modules with threaded connections, making it possible to install more modules. Rider 1 is a robust and affordable model designed for harvesting hard onions. It's equipped with a 1-meter-wide picker which pours onto a 16-roll tail cutter table with a spreader arm ensuring optimal results. Cuts over 95% of onion tails in most conditions with a harvesting capacity up to 35 to 40 tons per hour. Mehmed M172 is a heavy-duty air hydraulic jack. It is specially built for the quarry, underground mining, and railroad industries. It's lightweight, quite compact, and easy to maneuver. An optional remote control is also available for extra safety. Its pneumatic tires make maneuverability easy. It also comes with internal check valves to prevent an unintentional descent. Sugarcane harvesters are compact, light, and have exercise maneuverability. They have an excellent base cut, reducing cane loss and increased productivity in subsequent ratoon crops. The lightweight, compact machines enable harvest in partially wet fields, thereby increasing its ability to harvest under varied conditions. These workers test a block forklift fork in a large quarry in Attica. It's designed by Technomechaniki for lifting and moving large blocks in extreme conditions. Lamella fork arms allow higher flexibility, extended wear, and impact resistance. This company was established in 1975, focusing on manufacturing and repairing attachments for all classes and types of earth-moving equipment. These workers use CP300 Challenge blade plow to do the plowing in this field. Blade plowing, or cutter barring, is the process of cutting roots and stumps off underground to stop regrowth using a blade plow on a bulldozer's ripper frame. The plowing depth can vary between approximately 250 to 450 millimeters. A mulcher is a tool used to grind organic material, reducing its volume. Vegetation are fed through blades, producing usable mediums for gardening needs. You can use the mulch for fertilizing lawns and gardens and preventing the growth of weeds. There are many different types of mulches to choose from depending on your mulching needs. Big ones like the one you see are attached to excavators to deal with large brushes and logs. Dual-purpose heavy-duty bush rake can rake uprooted trees, grass, and rocks. The bush rake is ideal for raking blade plowed land into windrows for burning or chipping. A special seal arrangement guarantees that no dust and soil can enter the hub. It features jump arms on individual pinwheels to handle oversized rocks and tree stumps. The rake pins on the rake wheels are hard-wearing material for durability. The steering system makes it maneuverable around trees and other obstacles. The EasyCut TC Connect enables two trailed center dropper movers to be attached together. With a Krone front mower, the result is a working width of up to 13 meters. These workers are using a Liebherr LB28, installing a soldier pile using segmental casing. Soldier piles are steel H piles that are vertically driven or drilled into the earth. It's a retaining wall solution that is effective in many ground conditions. Soldier piles can be used as either temporary shoring or permanent walls. Horizontal lagging is added behind the flanges as excavation progresses in stages. The Action 900 TerraTrack introduces the first full suspension semi-crawler tractor. The integrated innovative TerraTrack undercarriage is based on technology from the combine harvester, but have been adapted specifically to the requirements of the tractor. The John Deere 7230R is a 10.425T machine with John Deere engine which powers this model with up to 169 kilowatts or 226 horsepower. The 7230R is manufactured and distributed with air condition and cabin. It does not include front hydraulics, ISO bus and air brakes,